Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamline Legal, where we help attorneys stop putting out fires and start growing proactive practices. And today I wanted to talk to you about duplicative contacts. It seems like the longer you have your practice management software or your CRM software, or wherever you're keeping your addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, wherever you have this contact information, the longer you have it, the more people you have working with you, it's inevitable that you're going to get duplicate contacts. I mean, it's just a fact of life. I think they multiply a lot like small animals. Anyway, so one of the things that I often hear from people is a complaint that they want to try and get rid of these. And obviously it makes a lot of sense. It's a lot easier to navigate when you don't have duplicate contacts and to track information. Unfortunately, most of the practice management software out there does not contain any type of feature to enable you to combine these duplicate contacts. And so I wanted to put it out there. One of the tools that I've used in the past that has been really, really helpful is Google. Gmail has a tool that will allow you to combine duplicate contacts. So it finds them and then it combines them. Now, a lot of practice management software out there right now will allow you to sync your contacts with Google or Gmail, which can be very helpful. So what I typically do is I'll take my practice management account, in this case I'm thinking of a Clio example, I'll take my Clio account, I'll sync it with Google, and my contacts will sync over to Google, and then I'll use the feature within Google to be able to find those duplicate contacts. Now you want to be extra careful here because even once Google finds them, you don't necessarily want Google to combine them, because even if they are the same person, you'll need to go back to your practice management software, to Clio, and check to make sure that they don't have any practice management information associated with them. So for example, if it was a client who had two different cases with us, and one of the client's contact cards was associated with one case and another client contact card was associated with the other case, if we combine those in Google and put them back into Clio, it will not preserve the association with both of those cases. So instead, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're using Google to find those duplicate contacts, but then we're taking that list of duplicate contacts and going back to our practice management software and by hand manually go ahead and combine those two contacts, making sure to preserve whatever associations you have with cases or other contacts or other information. So again, we'll use Google to sync with our contacts and find all our duplicates, but then we'll go ahead and combine those back in our practice management software by hand. And a lot of people, obviously, depending on how many duplicates you have, this can take a fair amount of time. So you might want to consider hiring somebody with a type A personality. You know, the qualifications are pretty small. They have to have a type A personality and be very detail oriented. But, you know, that could be a college student, a high school student, you know, whoever you can find that has the time and you're willing to pay them to do that. So let me know if you have any other questions about that, but I really hope it helps you. Talk to you soon.